Hey there, savvy marketers and brand enthusiasts. Ever feel like managing multiple brands is akin to spinning plates while riding a unicycle? Balancing different brand voices, strategies, and campaigns can be a real circus act. But what if I told you there's a tool to turn this juggling act into a well-choreographed dance? Enter ProjectBloom. Today, we're looking deep into the ProjectBloom Lifetime Deal, a revolutionary platform designed to streamline your multi-brand management with AI-driven precision. Let's unravel the magic behind ProjectBloom. What is ProjectBloom? ProjectBloom is an AI-powered platform that helps you manage all your brand assets in one place. It uses smart AI agents to automate tasks, making your work easier and more efficient. With ProjectBloom, you can keep your brand consistent, improve teamwork, and make better decisions based on data. No more fumbling with scattered assets or struggling to find your brand voice. With ProjectBloom, you'll stay organized, productive, and on brand every single time. Don't miss out. Exclusive lifetime deal prices on AppSumo await. ProjectBloom typically costs up to $3,250, but on AppSumo, you can grab it for as low as $59, and it's a one-time payment, no recurring fees, no surprises. Let's break down the tiers so you can choose the one that fits your needs. License Tier 1, price $59, normally $1,160. Manage up to 10 brands, includes 5 users and 10 workstations, comes with 200,000 monthly GPT tokens. License Tier 2, price $129, normally $2,380. Manage up to 25 brands, includes 10 users and 25 workstations, comes with 500,000 monthly GPT tokens. License Tier 3, price $249, normally $3,250. Manage up to 50 brands, includes 35 users and 50 workstations, comes with 1 million monthly GPT tokens. And yes, AppSumo's 60-day money-back guarantee has got you covered. Try it risk-free and see if it's right for you. 6 key features that make ProjectBloom a game-changer. Centralized Brand Management. ProjectBloom keeps all your brand assets, logos, fonts, colors, and tone of voice in one place. AI-powered content creation. Agent Bloom generates content that's fast and aligned with your unique brand voice. Flexible roles and permissions. Control who sees what by assigning specific roles and permissions. Perfect for keeping sensitive content secure. Custom content calendars. Plan, schedule, and visualize campaigns across multiple channels to ensure consistency and avoid overlaps. Strategic insights. Stay ahead of trends with insights that help you fine-tune your campaigns and boost engagement. Seamless integrations. Connect your favorite tools, like Google Drive, to keep everything flowing smoothly. Who benefits most from ProjectBloom? Content creators, freelancers, marketing agencies, small business owners, social media managers, brand consultants, creative teams. Do you see yourself in this list? If so, ProjectBloom was made for you. Grab a 10% extra deal from AppSumo. Ready to snag the ProjectBloom lifetime deal? Good news, you can save even more. Here's how to get an extra 10% off. Visit AppSumo's ProjectBloom page. Watch for a discount pop up. Enter your email address. Use the same email for checkout. Reviews of ProjectBloom on AppSumo. Still thinking about it? Don't wait too long. These lifetime deals disappear fast. With ProjectBloom, you can streamline your multi-brand management, create better campaigns, and stay ahead of the competition. Check the description for the link to this amazing deal and grab it before it's gone. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and tutorials. Let's make branding a breeze together. Let me know if you'd like any edits.